Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayesh and you are watching JayMed English Academy. So today's topic would be, you would have understood by reading title of this video, but still I'm saying today's topic would be all about whatever you have. Guys, whatever you have is more than enough. Yes, you heard it right. Whatever you have, guys, is more than enough. What we people do, we always focus on what we do not have, and that is misconception, right? If you have everything and you are not using all those things to improve your communication, to improve anything whatever you want in your life, so you have to start all those things that you have. But we always focus on what we do not have, and that is bad. That is not good, because you know everything. You know grammar, you know how to construct a sentence, you know how to build a more vocabulary, you know everything, but you are not implementing all those things, because we are always focusing on what we do not have. I don't know this, I don't know this. And I have seen so many people who come to me and say, Chaish, I don't have good command over the language, I don't know how to use grammar, I don't know much vocabulary, and how can I build more vocabulary? So I just simply say, don't focus on what you do not have. Just focus on what you have. Whatever you have, start using all those things. Your tongue will train, to speak. Why we are here? We are here to speak. We are here to speak. If you want to become a good communicator, right? If you want to become a good communicator, what you have to do? You have to, if you have less vocabulary, if you have low grammar knowledge, if you don't know how to construct a sentence, you can start whatever you have. You should know about some sentences, basic sentences, right? So start using all those things that you have. Why are you focusing on what you do not have? And that is not good. You have to focus on whatever you have and start all those things. Once you start all those things, using all those things, so it will increase day by day, and you will be amazed. Then you will say that, okay, few days back I have started, and that day I was not able to make the sentences, I was not able to I was not speaking well, I was not confident, but nowadays I am speaking well. Because why? You are speaking on a daily basis. You have to speak, right? If I talk about a writer wants to write a book, or writer wants to write something, anything, right? So what he does, he keep on writing. So if you want to become a communicator, if you want to become a speaker, if you want to become a fluent in English, so you have to speak. You have no any other option. That is true, guys. You have to speak, because theoretical knowledge is different and practical knowledge is different. If you want to swim, so what you have to do? I'll tell you everything about theoretical knowledge. How you have to move your limbs, how you have to jump into the water, and what you have to do. All means every instruction I'll give you. But when you go into the water, when you experience, when you start using, when you start moving your limbs, your hands, your legs, then you will realize, okay, means this way I have to do. You will get to know. It's like swimming. When you want to learn a swimming, so you have to go into the river, you have to go into the swimming pool, you have to go into the well, right? Then you will get to know, okay, I have to do like this way. Means theoretical knowledge is different and practical knowledge is different. When you start speaking, you will get to know, okay, I don't have to speak like that way, I have to speak like this way. These are the good way, those are not good way, I would say. Yes, like this way you will learn. And we people always focus on, I don't know that, I don't know this. That is not good, guys. Start using whatever you have. Why are you focusing on what you do not have? Start using all those things that you have, because it's very important. And why we are not using all those things? Because we have some fear. We have, because if I make a mistake in front of anybody, what people would say? And that is not your business, guys. That is not your business. Why are you thinking about people? They are not thinking about you at all. So why are you thinking about those people who are not thinking about you? So you are doing something wrong. Don't think about people. If they are mocking at you, let them mock. Let them laugh. That's not your business, guys. You do your work. They are doing their work. If somebody laughing at you, is there any relevance to you? Not at all. Because see, if you practice, if you speak, your tongue will train and you will communicate better. Not people. Then why are you thinking about people? You have to be confident. And when will you become confident? When you speak. You have to speak. This is the only way you can learn. It's no matter how many video you are watching on YouTube, how many books you are reading, how many movies you are watching. It's all about how many grammar book you are reading. That is different thing. And when it comes to speaking, it's a different game, guys. When you start using whatever you have, that will change your life. Yes, guys. So by this video, I just want to share my experience. When I started my speaking journey, English journey, I was not up to the mark. I was very introvert. I was not able to speak. I was shy. But now I'm able to speak. Not that much good, but still I'm confident. I can speak anybody. And that is the reality, guys. When you speak, you will become confident. And it's not about 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day. You have to speak every single day. Yes, you have to speak every single day. Because when you speak 1 day, 2 day, your tongue will not train, guys. You have to train your tongue to speak, as you train your tongue to speak your native language, right? We are not feel shy. We are not feel introvert when we speak in our mother tongue, Hindi, whatever your native language would be, right? Why? Because our tongue is trained to speak. But we want to speak in English, so we have to train our tongue, and that is the main thing, guys. Practice. This is the practical. When you start using things, you will become fluent. You will have much more words to speak. You can manage. If you are not able to remember some words, so you can manage any other words. This is the journey, guys. Like this way you have to move. Don't ask every time. Don't ask like how I communicate. How do I communicate better? How do I improve my communication? How do I learn English? Start using. Nowadays we have so much technology. We have Google. We have so much free application. We can go there and start talking to anybody, any stranger. And when you start speaking any stranger, there will be no any fear of judgment. Nobody will judge you because they also are learning there, right? So start using all those things, guys. And one thing I would say at last, if you are thinking about people, if I make a mistake, what other people would say, you are doing a wrong thing. And you are thinking about those people who are not thinking about you at all. Yes, that is the reality. And you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time, you are wasting your time. That is the reality, guys. So this is, I want to share that whatever you have, guys, just start using all those things. And I'm sure that whatever you have, guys, you have more than enough. you can start using all those things, and don't focus on what you don't have, because that will not going to help you, that will not increase. If you think about, okay, I don't have this, I don't have that, so that will not increase, you will remain the same. But when you start using all those things that you have, you will increase, the things that you have will increase day by day, right? You vocabulary will increase, your grammar knowledge will increase, how to construct a sentence, it will increase, everything will increase day by day, right? So you have to do like this way. So that is what I want to share with you guys. And if you are new on this channel, please do like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much. Keep learning and keep enjoying. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.